In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to reset your control center on iPhone. By reorganizing or removing seldom-used functions, you create a more personalized and streamlined experience, allowing quicker access to essentially most used features. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. You will want to head to the Control Center option. Onto the last option of Reset Control Center, tap on it and select Onto Reset. Your control center will reset to default. This customization not only improves accessibility but can also resolve minor glitches, ensuring smoother performance. Overall, a reset can save time and make your daily interactions with your iPhone more efficient. That's how easy it is to reset your control center on any iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.